Here at Smoler Smiles, our goal is help people live a better life with implant dentistry. Every patient that walks in for full arch is going to get a Flexcera smile.
The 3D printed teeth that are in my mouth have absolutely changed my life. These teeth are an exact replica of my natural teeth, and they feel natural. I haven't had any complaints about the issues that you see with normal dentures. They're firm, they're solid, and have proven to be pretty durable. There is no more snapping a denture when the muscle spasms hit. I went from not being able to eat to being able to eat like a normal human being again. I have to say, 3D printers are amazing with what they can do.